Good morning, just having a quick look at gold this morning, 3rd of June. As you can see, nothing really going on. We're still within these ranges. Nothing much going on. It's just up and down. These are the zones that we have at the moment. Based on higher time frame, obviously we have a little trend going towards the downside, which is nothing big really, just a little stairs going upwards. But every time we come around here, we find support. So this is what we are doing. How long is this going to continue? Are we going to keep grinding in this area until we break out, hold, and then take off? Is that what gold's waiting for? Or are we going to break under for the first time, close on a daily under this line, and then go to the next zone, which will be around 3,896? So far, there is nothing apart from scalping on shorter time frames, and that's how we've been treating gold at the moment. On the hour, every time we come in, we see what the market wants to do. Once it gives you a high, a lower high, and it comes back in and creates a lower low and a break of structure, a retest, and it's just being sell. This is where we have a bit of a liquidity zone, as I like to call it. I always call these areas liquidity zone, where prior the market has come in and has rejected just like that. These are the current liquidity zone that I have. Apart from that, really nothing much is going on. We're just coming up to the prior where we came in last week. So are we gonna come in, take those stops out, fake out, go back above, and then take all these stops again? So it just seems like gold is just doing a lot of as you can see, just a lot of liquidity hunt. So sellers that came in around this area, they would have used this as a supply zone. So what gold has done is gone, taken them all out, came back in, then sold off. Is it going to do the same thing over this area, or are we actually going to come in, reject somewhere either here or here, and then go down towards the next zone, which is around 43,778. So nothing really in gold apart from what you just see. These zones, I would probably just be in and out of the market. Wouldn't welcome my stay. Whenever I take my positions, I take risk off, wait for the TP to get hit, take out most of my positions, and just let a 10% runner go to the next target, and then be out of gold and reset. As we are range bound, there's not much going on. We don't find a real clear trend. So I've just been trading this on an hour time frame. As you can see, I haven't really been trading too much of it, but that has been just my zones. I'm picking up shorts from this area and working my way back down towards this area, and obviously along the way there are several places where I take TP. That'll be one, and then obviously that'll be the second, and now we know that this coming up here is going to be the third, and then obviously going towards the upside again. We always look left to see where we have hurdles. We need to go above this area, then we take some TP, then above that area, then we take some more, and then that is full TP. That's how I've been treating gold at the moment. Wish you all the best.